Ito, gagamitin ko muna itong Desert Storm na to. Ito ginagamit ko ngayon. Yeah. Okay, balikan ko kayo. Ito gamit ko. Tapos mamaya gagamitin ko yung mga yan. Ito yung mga ammos. Yeah, ito pa isa. Ito, may James Bond dito. Suabe. Yan, maglo-load ako ng bala dito sa dalawang to. Yan. Okay. Ito yung truck. Ay, si Terry. That's Ron.
Nakalupa din kami.
Yeah. Ano to?
Yeah, release mo yung
Napagpag-play.
magazine. That's just no more. Okay, just load it.
So that's the seals.
Daddy,
What?
first aid?
Yeah, I did Band-Aid.
Hey, Tarak.
Ito naman gagamitin ko 45 Kimber. Yan, ang ganda na itong baril na to. Sarap. Tapos lang pumalo. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's risky.
One.
Shotgun.
There's Nathan.
See.
There's Jordan.
Yeah. Risky. Try this. I'll just throw it in my hand. How risky?
Be mindful of what you guys doing. Are you throwing it right? Check the floor, bro.
Oh,
Hey, let me shoot this. Don't think about it too much, bro. Just do it.
I can't throw it.
asintado si Risky. Si Rocky.
I don't know how much you have left. I think you have one more. Okay, go ahead and weapon. 816, 116. Right here.
Oh!
It's a flick of the wrist. And you follow through it too.
Bro, I just went like that. I had better pulls, dog.
Yan, Kimber, ayun ang gagamitin ko ngayon. Kutsa, ang ganda nito. Kimber, this is a 1500 pistol. It's Super 38.